In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage reminders in Clickup. We'll start right in the Clickup web app. Look to the bottom right corner and click the plus icon to open your Quick Create menu. Choose Reminder. In the text field, type exactly what you want to remember, like follow up with client or review proposal, and keep it action oriented so it's obvious what to do when it pops up. If you need more context, use the notes area to add details, links, or anything that will help you complete the reminder quickly without hunting for information. Next, set when you want to be reminded. Right below your reminder text, pick the date and time. For example, you might choose April 15th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Double check the time zone if you work across regions. When you're satisfied, click Create Reminder to lock it in. If you want the reminder to trigger when you arrive somewhere, turn on the location option if it's available in your setup. Enter an address or a label like Office or Client HQ. This is a mobile-only feature, so make sure location permissions are enabled on your phone so ClickUp can notify you when you get there. By default, the reminder is assigned to you. If someone else should handle it, change the assignee to a teammate. They'll receive it just like you would. This is great for quick handoffs without creating a full task right away. Sometimes a reminder grows into real work. When that happens, open the reminder and choose Convert to Task. ClickUp will turn it into a full task so you can add a description, set a status, apply a due date, and use any custom fields your team relies on. You can also attach files and link it to the right project to keep everything organized. To keep your day on track, head to your inbox in ClickUp and open the Reminder section. From here, you can snooze a reminder to push it to later, reschedule it to a new time if priorities change, or delete it if it's no longer needed. This is your control center for staying on top of small but important to-dos. On mobile, the flow is similar. Open the ClickUp app, tap the plus button, and choose Reminder. Type what you need, set the date and time, and save. You'll get a push notification when it's due, and if you enabled location-based reminders, those will trigger when you arrive at the set place. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.